Once your account is created, verified, 2FA enabled, and has a sufficient funding balance, you will be able to move your cryptocurrency from your funding to your spot account. Begin by logging into your Bybit account. Begin on your home page. Click on Assets, then select Founding Account. In this example, we have some BTC that we want to transfer to our spot account. Look for the transfer option, typically located next to the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, and click on it. Under the From option, select Funding, and then choose Spot in the Destination field. Enter the quantity of tokens you wish to transfer, or simply click All to automatically input the maximum amount you have, then click Confirm. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your cryptocurrency to your spot account.